Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Domino 7 is back with another video. Well, live stream, I should say. Okay. Here on Instagram Live. Okay. On my balcony, taking a breather. Okay. On the balcony, taking a breather. However, y'all want to rephrase it or whatever. If it's in a title, it's in a title. Okay. Yeah. All right. So anyway, I want to tell y'all once again. I told y'all this before, but I'm gonna tell y'all again. If you're watching this on YouTube, but if you're watching this on Instagram, then I'm gonna say it like this. Okay. I had so much fun at the Gentilly Fest Saturday. Okay. I only went for one day. Okay. But you know what? Unfortunately, I won't be going to the Crescent City Blues and Barbecue Fest this year. Okay, well, I am on my balcony. Okay, yep, just here on my balcony taking a breather. Y'all see those chairs? Okay, I had this one by my computer. This one is for my best friend. Well, she threw it out. She didn't ask me if I wanted it or not, but I did wanted it. Anything she gonna get rid of, I hope she give it to me. Hopefully, okay. Yeah. So anyway, y'all, my favorite part of the Gentilly Fest is the gospel tent. You know, yeah. So I went to that gospel tent, taped as much as I could. Did as best as I could. Yep. So anyway, if y'all on Instagram, y'all, well, whatever the heck I'm trying to say, I mean, some of my church friends from Watson Memorial Church across the river. I love them people though. Yes indeed, they're my friends as well as my church members of my church of the Asia Baptist Church. Okay, all right, y'all see that? Wait, hold on. Oh, y'all see up there? That's a helicopter, huh? All right, yeah, that was a helicopter up there. You know, yep. So so what in the world? Never mind what in the world. Okay. Yep. So my church friends from the Watson Church across the river, and and I subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yep. I enjoyed the choir and all that. The choir was that, yeah. If y'all watch the show, okay. If y'all watch the show on YouTube, okay. Yep. So there I go. Okay. So anyway, I was gonna talk about a second line, but we're gonna talk about a second line another time. Okay. All right. So anyway, I was so happy to see my friend Destiny. Okay. Yeah. I pray for all the time. Not only that, I pray for a family. I pray for the church and everything. Yes, indeed. Okay. Yeah. So like I say, that's why God blessed me with this show. Yep. Instagram. Sometimes social media is a blessing. Sometimes it's a curse. Depends on how you use social media. It depends on how you use social media. All right. I mean, I'm thinking about something else. That's why I'm laughing. You know. Okay. All right. So, all right, y'all. That's all Domino got to say. Okay. So I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Okay. Peace out.